company called Garvee sent me their 14,000 BTU portable AC. It's a little bit bigger than the other one that I have, so hopefully it'll do a little bit better job. So let's get this box open and get into it. Check this thing out. All right, there it is. There's the box anyway. That's the company, Garvee. 14,000 BTU portable AC. It's got a remote and all that good stuff. So like I said, let's get this box open and check this thing out. Okay, as you can see, I don't know if this is needed to be used or it was just in the packaging or what this is. It doesn't say. I'll have to read through the book. It comes with a book. Quick installation guide. Luckily this hooks up the same way as my other one. The drain tube. My other one didn't come with a drain tube. I don't know what the deal is with that. And then it comes with that. Also comes with some screws, probably to mount this. Now you see this piece right here, that's just a tab that's stuck in that hole. See right there? You take that tab out and then you can slide this apart, obviously, to where this is open. And then this part that has the hole in it goes on this. Just clips on it, push down and clips on it. And then obviously that's in, slides right there down onto the AC, right there. And it comes with some sealing foam and stuff. And it comes with a remote. That's the temperature it's set on. Fan speed is on high. I just want to show you this stuff. So let's go over there to the AC and check it out. All right, here it is. Again, just like the other one, the cord really ain't long enough. The only cord I have over here close to that, where I put that, is behind the washer and dryer. And the cord really ain't long enough. It needs to be a little bit longer. But as you can see, it is on. Hopefully it ain't messing with the mic too bad. I haven't peeled any of the stickers and stuff off of it yet. I'm going to. But it says what it is down there, or you know, the temperature and everything. Also says it up here. This thing is pretty cold. We'll see in a minute if it'll heat up my, or cool off my garage. It's pretty hot in here today. There's all your controls. Hopefully you can see that. Let's see if I can get a flashlight. Hopefully you can see what all that is. From the left to right, it's timer, fan speed, up and down, mode, and on-off button. Now, I don't know how to do it on there, but on here, on the remote, that little button, you hit it, and it starts it. The other AC called it swing. This don't really say anything. Pretty neat though. Blows it down and then up. I'm gonna stop it right there though. I'll come back in a few minutes, or how long it takes, and talk about it more and tell you how long it took to cool off the garage. All right, here's the controls of the remote. What all the buttons do and all that. You see right there? It says heating mode. That's pretty cool. I haven't tried that yet because it's way too hot in here to try heat, but I don't know if it's got heat on it or not. Would be awesome if it does, huh? You know, for the winter. Anyway, just want to show you the remote, or what all the buttons do anyway. All right, this thing has been running now for, I don't know, maybe about 20 minutes, 25 minutes, and it's comfortable in here. It's not really cool though. I got it set on the coldest setting, 64, which the other one did about the same performance. But anyway, I don't know if I mentioned it, I didn't pay for this. Garvee sent me this to review. So far so good. I do believe it's a higher BTU than the other one, so hopefully it'll work out a little bit better than the other one did. I mean, the other one works fine. I'm just saying, hopefully it'll cool better, faster. That's yet to be seen. We'll see in a little bit, because I'm going to stay out here. I got some more videos to do, some more stuff to do. So we'll see. And it is a hot day, and as you know, let me see, that garage door is just thin metal. It's not insulated or anything. So there that is. So that lets a lot of heat in, or puts a lot of heat in here. And not to mention, it was really hot in here when I turned that thing on. So I appreciate it, Garvee. Appreciate you sending me this to review. It's awesome. Luckily, I had this already installed over there where the other one was at, which I'm pretty sure the other one came with something like this too. You just take it off. So all I had to do was just slide this down over the AC, you know, down onto the AC, and turn it on. And it already had a vent tube already set up, so I lucked out in that aspect, right? So anyway, if you don't, it comes with all the necessary stuff to mount it in a window. Let's see. I'll hold this up and show you. That's how you mount it in a window or install it in a window, whatever. It's the window slider kit. Anyway, so far so good. We'll see. I guess in the future, if I have any problems out of it, I'll let you know, just like I do with everything. But so far, it's doing pretty good. And remember, just like always, if you want to get one of these ACs, there will be a link down there in the description. Go down there and check it out. Click on the link. And I think there's a discount code. I think it's R Garage for Renegade's Garage. 10. Let me see. Yeah, it's 10. So I'm assuming that's for 10% off your order. So if you want to get one, use the link. I would appreciate it. It doesn't cost you anything. Like I said, thanks for sending me this to review. Hope you liked it. I sure do. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.